meteorologist Michael Coates.
So most of western Wyoming right now under a flood advisory or flood watch. This is also true for western Montana. And the biggest concern for Teton County, Wyoming, it's the Pacific Creek, which is north of Jackson. That's where the Snake River kind of winds around the entrance to Grand Teton National Park, and we gets in a couple of creeks there. They are starting to see some higher higher water levels and even some lowland flooding in that area. No threat to property or any residences right now, but we are starting to see, again, spring runoff really starting to take hold here. It's cooler today and quite windy last night and today as this low moved in from the northwest. It's sliding most of its energy to the north of us, and by tomorrow it's still going to be focusing most of its energy into Montana and Canada. That's going to allow warm air from the south to funnel through, but it's also going to allow some thunderstorms to pop in here for the weekend. And now let's go to Vipercast. 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. A beautiful start to your Friday morning, and it won't be as windy. That's the nice side of the forecast. But by tomorrow afternoon, thunderstorms are going to be popping. Western Wyoming, far eastern Idaho near the border there, Island Park, West Yellowstone. Couple thunderstorms also getting into Lemhi and Custer County here, especially into the mountains there. So around Salmon and Chouse could get a bit stormy. Then we get into Saturday morning. Saturday morning looking great. You can take the dog for a walk, maybe hit up the farmer's market, but then as we get into Saturday afternoon, the clouds start building in and we see a smattering of thunderstorms from the central mountains into the Snake River Plain and the eastern highlands. And then Sunday, another chance of thunderstorms, but the risk is actually just a tad lower here. But Vipercast is going back and forth here. The bottom line of my forecast for you for this weekend, scattered thunderstorms Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, especially getting into Saturday and Sunday. But it's going to warm up. In fact, the winds will be lower tomorrow, warmer temperatures, and we're pushing in those thunderstorms really into Saturday for most of eastern Idaho. Lows tonight around 40 for Chouse and Salmon, 38 at the site, and 42 for Idaho Falls, 40 for Rexburg. Jackson's at 38 for the low. We're hitting 46 for American Falls tonight, near 48 for Pocatello for the low, mid-40s in Lava, lower 40s in Soda Springs, and the upper 30s again for western Wyoming communities. Highs tomorrow, warmer. We're pushing back into the upper 70s, the lower 80s, well above average for this time of the year. 80 for Malad and Preston, 82 in Pocatello, 82 in American Falls, 79 in Burley, 81 for Idaho Falls. We're hitting mid-70s for Jackson and Driggs, lower 70s in Island Park, near 80 in Dubois, and near 80 in Salmon. The 8-day. Going through here into the next few days, you're noticing the winds on the increase for Saturday and Sunday with the thunderstorms, and that's just because we're looking at an unstable atmosphere. But a beautiful Friday in Idaho Falls with highs into the lower 80s and warm temperatures to get us into Saturday and Sunday. Rexburg, again, scattered thunderstorms Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon. I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans. Again, these are afternoon pop-up thunder showers, very typical this time of year. Pocatello, we're hitting highs here at 80 for Saturday, 78 on Sunday, with 79 for Monday. And we're getting into the lower 80s also throughout next week as well, with a chance of a thunderstorm. Blackfoot highs here, pushing into the lower 80s tomorrow and Saturday, upper 70s on Sunday and Monday, with scattered thunderstorms, about a 20 to 30% chance of a storm each and every day here. Jackson, we're looking at 73 for Saturday, 70 on Sunday with scattered storms in Jackson. So if you're going to go camping this weekend, prepare for some afternoon storms. Carol.
Thank you. A woman in California credits a popular sport